Good morning. Head north to Prudhoe Bay. We've got lots of fires ahead of us, and I'm not sure how the road is. I haven't gotten any road reports lately, so I'm hooked to my bulker. Spent the night down here at the bottom, so I was ready to roll in the morning. It's about 4 o'clock. Every week it's something new. Every week it's different. It's never the same. It's never consistent.
2 in 10.
Let's go experience this, see how bad these fires are. Drive going thus far.